Yandikitwe University of Nairobi Kikuyu campus. Exactly, stop.
Wabici-inĩ cia na KDK kana KDK kana ũrĩa community gwacoka Move.
Tuga nĩ mwĩrũ woka kũrehwo hau.
neno iko gani?
Kuna okay, naitwa hapa hapa Kambura. Kambura mko na nani? Mko na anaitwa nani usiyezo huko?
Sawa.
The Sub-County Criminal Investigation Officer Kikuyu. We received a report from one of the security persons, officers from the University of Nairobi Kikuyu campus, that there had been an incident where one student had stabbed another. The student was rushed to PCA Kikuyu Hospital, where later on we learned that the student had passed on. We suspect that the death was caused by the stab injury. So I'm here to confirm that we took up the matter. The police and the DCI and the members of the community worked together. The investigations were carried out. We were able to apprehend the suspect. The suspected murder weapon was secured, and today the suspect has been arraigned to court. We are seeking custodial orders so that we can further the investigations. We are yet to establish the motive of the attack, and once the investigations are complete, we will be recommending charges. The student, both the victim and the suspect are University of Nairobi students, Kikuyu campus. The cause of the quarrel, we preliminarily find that there was a disagreement between the victim and the suspect over issues to deal with the ablution block. And then the disagreement escalated, and other friends of the deceased joined in, and that is when the suspect maybe dashed to the house to get a weapon to defend himself. But the actual motive, the investigation will reveal, and then we will keep the media posted on what we find out. Let us see how we can be able to de-escalate issues, especially where we stay together as a people, right? I know we have issues with, as a student, we have pressures, exam, and all those other things, but once there is a quarrel, there's a disagreement, which is human to disagree, let us first of all find ways of de-escalating the issues, and then after de-escalating the issues, reason will prevail. Now we have two futures that have been really shattered. The future of the deceased and really the future of the suspect, if charged and convicted. It is not something to smile about. Thank you.